In this session, let us learn about Rayleigh distribution. Rayleigh distribution. Rayleigh distribution is used in signal processing. It has two parameters: scale. Standard deviation decides how flat the distribution will be, default 1.0. Size, the shape of the returned array. Example, draw out a sample of Rayleigh distribution with scale of 2 with size 23. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Visualization of Rayleigh distribution. Zeroed arrays of scalars are the elements in an array. Each value in an array is a zeroed array. Example, by executing this code, the result returns this. Similarly, between Rayleigh and chi-square distribution, std_dev and 2 degrees of freedom, Rayleigh and chi-square represent the same distributions. Okay friends, this is the end of part 27, Rayleigh distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pareto distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.